Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making these delicious chocolate orange cookies. A soft cookie that's flavored with fresh orange juice and orange zest and stuffed with chunks of melted orange chocolate. These cookies are super easy to make, so let's get started. I have here half a cup of super soft butter. Make sure butter is soft or else this part will be really hard. We're going to mix that butter up to make it nice and smooth, and into that we're going to add in the sugars. I'm adding here some brown sugar and white granulated sugar. We're going to mix everything up until it's nice and creamy and keep mixing for about a minute or two. Once everything looks nice and combined like this, we're going to add in the egg. Now I'm going to add in the zest of 2 small oranges or 1 large orange. I'm adding a tablespoon of fresh orange juice. And now we're going to mix everything up until it's fully combined. I am using orange food coloring in these cookies because for some reason when I think chocolate orange cookies, I think of an orange cookie, like an actual orange colored cookie. But if you want, you can totally skip this and leave it out and the cookies will still taste just as flavorful. Now I added in the powdered food coloring. You can also use gel or water-based food coloring as well. I'm going to mix everything up until it's fully combined. At this point, your butter and egg mixture may be grainy like this, and this is perfectly normal. When we add in the flour, everything will incorporate all together and the butter will melt in the oven. Now I'm going to sift in the dry ingredients, which include all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. The full written recipe is available in the description box below with other cookie recipes that I recommend you to try because I've got a lot. Now we're going to fold everything together until it is almost combined, meaning you should still see some bits of flour left behind. I have here 100 grams or 1 bar of orange chocolate. You can also use regular dark chocolate if you can't find this. I'm going to chop it up into rough chunks and add that into the cookie dough. Mix it up until everything is fully combined and there's no longer any flour left. We're going to cover the dough with some plastic wrap and refrigerate for up to 2 hours. You can also refrigerate the dough overnight. Once the dough is chilled, I'm going to use a cookie scoop. You can also use a spoon to scoop out the balls onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet. We're going to bake this for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once the cookies are baked, we're going to let them cool down completely. If your cookies aren't perfectly circle, you can use a ramekin or cookie cutter to spin them around like this to get a perfect cookie shape. Make sure you do this while the cookie's still hot though. While the cookies cool, melt some dark chocolate and add that into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag. This is for the decoration. You can skip this part if you like and eat the cookies as is. Cut a very tiny piece off and start drizzling however you like. If you're like me and you love cookies, then you need to check out my website or my YouTube channel because I have some delicious cookie recipes. I'll leave a link in the description box below, so go ahead and try them all out and let me know how you like it. And here it is, the final product. These chocolate orange cookies not only taste amazing, but they look adorable as well, which makes for a perfect gift in my opinion. Okay, let's break into one of these and see what it looks like on the inside. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes just like this one, and like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment down below if you tried the recipe or if there's anything else you'd like me to make. Thanks for watching!